Number 1. Ya Chok Severson. Yo Chok Severson series centers on a clever guy, Atesh, played by Kerem Bürsin, who left his family's home after his mother's death to attend a boarding school abroad, and Leela, played by Hafsnoor Sanjaktutan, who doesn't know her real family and earns money by scamming people. Atesh founded an app, sold it, and lived a luxurious life in Majorca. However, he is forced to return to Istanbul because of his father's death and will. In the will, Atesh's father Wahid Alja requested that he become the guardian of his 3 children from his second wife, Mogai. While dealing with this, Atesh meets Leela, who is part of some fake marriage gang. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. Number 2. Becoming a Lady. Becoming a Lady is a fantastic Turkish series, revolves around Murat, a successful musician, and Hasrat, a flower girl from a working-class district. The series beautifully captures the dynamics of societal interactions and the transformation of Hasrat from a humble flower girl to a renowned singer. Despite its lengthy 56 episodes, some viewers find the continuous back and forth between Murat and Hasrat a bit tedious. The series is praised for its excellent cast, expressive music, and the portrayal of Turkish culture, including the contrast between rich and poor. Overall, Becoming a Lady series weaves a love story with a touch of comedy and music, offering a unique perspective on life in Istanbul. Before going further, please like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Number 3. Donins. Geja wanted to go to university and make music with her boyfriend Emir, but she had to pause her dreams because her sister Gulce, who is a special child, struggled in the noisy city. Geja's family moved to Foça, where she met Ozgur, who cared for his brother Ruzgar with Asperger's. After staying with Ozgur, Geja became mature, while Ozgur started to enjoy his life more. They learned from each other. Things get complicated when Geja's boyfriend Emir arrives to Foça. Now Geja tests her feelings, and despite challenges, will Gees dare to pursue her true love Ozgur? Watch this. Number 4. Yürek Jikmaji. This compelling drama follows a family's migration from Uşak to Istanbul. Senet, who's worked tirelessly since youth, marries her love, Ilmaz, and starts a family. Their nearly 40-year marriage ends tragically with Janet's paralysis and death, and a letter emerges post-funeral, accusing Yilmaz. This divides the siblings. Firidi supports their father, Bürsin complies to avoid harm, and Halil distances himself. Senet's lawyer uncovers evidence of Yilmaz's violence, long known but silenced. Her letter serves as undeniable proof. Amidst pain, the siblings reconcile, striving to heal their wounds and reunite. Meanwhile, Halil and Zeynep, the lawyer, find love as she fights for justice for Janet and her family. Number 5. Adem Farah. My Name is Farah, or Adem Farah, is a story about Farah, an Iranian woman, lives in Istanbul illegally with her son. Despite having a medical degree, she works as a cleaning lady to support her son. Her son has a rare disease, and Farah strives to provide proper care and treatment for him. During her job, Farah witnesses a murder and becomes a target for the mafia. Tahir, a ruthless mafia member, offers her a chance to clean the crime scene but plans to kill her later. Farah manages to escape Tahir's clutches, but he discovers her location. Tahir faces a dilemma as he decides the fate of Farah and her child, ultimately leaving her alive under the condition of silence. The situation intensifies when it's revealed that the murder victim was an undercover policeman. Number 6. Number 7. Mahkum. In this gripping series, Frat Bulat, a prominent prosecutor, wakes up in prison accused of murdering his wife and daughter, with 5 months of his life a complete blank. Alone and with no memory, he embarks on a quest to unravel the mystery behind their deaths from behind bars. His only lead is a previous case involving the enigmatic Yesri family, where a young woman died under suspicious circumstances. With a link between the cases and the elusive twin brother Savas, Frat fights to regain his memory, his freedom, and uncover the truth in a suspenseful whodunit that will keep viewers on the edge of their seats. Number 8. Masumla Apartamani. Based on a book by Gulsrin Badekolu, the series follows the story of 4 siblings of a sick parent, 2 obsessive daughters, Safiye and Gulbain, 1 daughter with asthma, and 1 son, Ha, who has devoted his whole life to catering to his family's needs, shuttling tirelessly between work and home. One fateful day, Ha's world will change as soon as he sees and immediately falls in love with Insi. For the first time in his life, Ha will seek out his own happiness. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. Number 9. Guljamal. The story revolves around the love that begins with hatred between Gulsmal, Murad Analmish, whom his mother abandoned and turned into a dark monster when he was young, and the beautiful Deva, Melis Sezin, who becomes engulfed in a whirlwind of fire, passion, and storm. In Guljamal's battle with his mother, will an unexpected love or the years of hatred he has harbored prevail? And what about Deva? Watch this series to find out. Number 10. Bambashka Biri. Bambashka Biri is the most recent series of Burak Deniz and Hande Ershel, which centers around the brutal murder of Hamdi Atilbey. This becomes the pivot of destiny for Leela, a prosecutor with a turbulent past longing for a fresh start, and Kenan, an ambitious journalist seeking to redefine his life. Amid conflicting interests, their mutual attraction deepens, with Kenan falling under the spell of Leela's beauty while she remains wary of his journalistic agenda. As they delve into the murder case, their undeniable connection intensifies, even though barriers such as Kenan's father, Chief Prosecutor Turan, initially keep Leela at bay. However, her resistance gradually crumbles, and she finds herself irresistibly drawn to the charismatic man who commands admiration from all corners of their world. So that was the video, guys, but for more series recommendations, please check out our channel.